Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 1.4.6 Contrast, Enhanced. The visual presentation of text and images of text has a contrast ratio of at least 7:1, except for the large text, incidental, logo types. In this example, the high contrast class sets the background color to black and the text color to white, creating a high contrast color scheme. This is helpful for users with low vision who may have difficulty reading text with low contrast. To ensure that the contrast ratio between the text color and the background color meets the minimum requirements for enhanced contrast, you can use a color contrast checker tool. There are a number of these tools available online, which allow you to input the background color and text color values and calculate the contrast ratio. The minimum required contrast ratio for enhanced contrast is 7:1 for text larger than 18 pints or 14 pints bold, and 4.5:1 for text smaller than that. It's also possible to use CSS variables and media queries to dynamically switch between high contrast and normal styles, depending on user preferences or other factors. For example, in this example, the root selector sets two sets of color variables, one for the normal color scheme and one for the high contrast color scheme. The body of the page is initially styled with the normal colors. The media query at media prefers contrast high, then checks for the user's preference for high contrast, and switches to the high contrast color scheme if it is preferred. This allows users to customize the site's appearance to meet their needs.